Job safety is number one, and the Reed cordless beveler brings safety to the job site. With a controlled bevel and a guide plate, this beveler system works quickly and accurately. A carbide router bit makes the bevel, while power is supplied by a cordless die grinder. Reed CPV tools work with die grinders from Bosch, Milwaukee, and DeWalt. Please keep in mind that this tool is to be used on plastic pipe only. To adjust the length of the bevel, loosen the adjusting knob and slide the guide plate up or down until the required amount of the router bit is exposed above the guide plate. Then, tighten the adjusting knob. To the left side of the adjusting knob are 4 engraved lines on the adapter with 1/8 of an inch increments. When using the R-bit 1 with the adjusting ring all the way to the bottom, the beveler will cut a 5/8 of an inch long bevel. By lining up the bottom of the adjusting ring with the first engraved line, the length of the bevel is reduced by 1/8 of an inch. Each additional line continues to reduce the bevel by 1/8 of an inch. The R-bit 2 can be adjusted from 7/16 to a 1-inch bevel. Turn on the grinder and place the guide plate flat against the end of the pipe. Slowly bring the router bit against the edge of the pipe until the bearing at the end of the router bit is contacting the pipe. Slowly rotate the beveler counterclockwise for an OD bevel, being sure to keep the bearing in contact with the pipe. A second quick pass around the pipe may be needed if the bevel is not smooth. An uneven bevel can happen if the guide plate is not kept perpendicular to the pipe and the bearing on the router bit is not kept against the pipe. The R-bit 2 1-inch bit removes a large amount of material. Therefore, it is strongly recommended when cutting a 3/4 inch to 1-inch depth bevel to be sure and make 2 passes around the pipe, removing half of the material with each pass. For the first pass, set the adjusting ring so that it lines up with the engraved line to the right of the adjusting screw. Make the first pass around the pipe. To complete the bevel, readjust the adjusting ring to remove the remainder of the material. For beveling the ID of 2-inch or larger pipe, an internal shroud is also available. With this optional shroud and operating the beveler clockwise, you can get a perfect ID bevel every time.